Good morning children. Yesterday exercise 2 first Roman is explained. Now today exercise 2 second Roman compute the following. I am explaining now. See here 7 plus 4. First Roman is represent the following additions and a number line. Here only additions. Compute the following. 7 plus 4. Compute the following additions. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Next, fourth sum is 14 plus of 14, fourth sub question, 14 plus of minus 6. This of represents into multiplication. Of represents multiplication. 14 plus of minus 6. Yesterday I said, once again I am explaining this. The product of positive integer and positive integer is equal to positive integer. The product of negative integer and positive integer is equal to negative integer. The product of positive integer and negative integer is equal to negative integer. The product of negative integer and negative integer is equal to positive integer. Once again listen carefully, this is the very important in these integers. The product of positive and positive is equal to positive. The product of negative and positive is equal to negative. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Positive into negative is equal to negative. Both are negative. Both are negative is equal to positive. The product of negative integer and negative integer is equal to positive integers. It is very important for us. See here second sir. 14 plus into minus. See here positive integer and negative integer. Plus into minus. Positive into negative. Positive into negative is equal to negative. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Next, 8 plus of minus 3. 8 plus of minus 3. Plus into minus. See here. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. I am writing here minus. What is the number? 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, fifth sub question, 9 plus of minus 7. 9 plus of minus 7. Plus into minus, see here, see the table. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus I am writing here. What is the digit here? Given digit? 7. 7 I am writing as it is. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Next, 10th sub question. Remaining sub questions you will do at homework. That 100 plus of minus 80. 100 plus of minus 80. Plus into minus. See the table. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. I am writing here. What is the number? 80. 100 minus 80. 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. Next, 11th sub question. 225 plus of minus 145. Plus into minus. Minus. See the table carefully. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus I am writing here. What is the given number here? 145. 5 minus 5? 0. Can we subtract 2 from 4? No. Take 10 borrow. 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Here 2 would take borrow. 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. No need to write 0. Answer is 80. Try this. We will see now. Try this. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? 2. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8 minus of minus 1. See here. Minus of minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Next, Now we will see that number line. Add on the number line. What is the first number? 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Second sub question. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 0. 8 minus half minus 2. Next 8 minus half minus 4. These show on the number line. These numbers are to show on the number line. I am writing the examples. You will do this to at home. I am doing this 8 minus half minus 2 and 8 minus 1 I am leaving. 8 minus 2 minus half minus 2 I am leaving. These two sums you will do afterwards. First I am writing show on the number line 8 minus 6 show on the number line 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Draw the number line children carefully. See the number line carefully. First draw a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. What is the number children here? 8. Where to start from this number line? From 0 to 8. From 0 to 8. From 0 to 8, how many steps? 8 steps. Which side we are moving? It is positive or negative? Positive. 8 is a positive integer. Positive integers move on the number line is left side of a number line. Positive integers move on the right side of a number line. Sorry, right side of a number line. Positive integers move on the right side of a number line. From 0 to 8 steps. From 0 to 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 0 to 8 steps towards move right side of a number line. What is the number children? 8. Next is 6. 6 is positive or negative? Negative. Minus 6. Negative numbers move on the number line is which side? Left side. From where to? From 8 to 6 steps. From 8 to 6 steps. 8 to 7 is 1 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is negative. Negative numbers move on a number line is left side of a number line. Minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? 2. What is the answer children? 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 1 you will do in the home. Now I am saying 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. Draw any number line. Draw the number line children. What is the number? 8. What is the number? 8. From 0 to how many steps? Towards right side of a number line. From 0 to 8. 8 steps towards right side of a number line. Minus 0. Minus 0 means how many steps we are moving? No steps. 0 means nothing. Here, what is the answer? 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Now next one more supposition I am saying that 8 minus half minus 2. 8 this supposition. This 8 minus 0 I done here. This 8 minus 1 you will do at home. 8 minus half minus 2 I am saying. 8 minus half minus 4 is also homework for you. Eight minus half minus 2. 8 minus half minus 2. Draw a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1, minus 2. What is the number, children? 8. Where to start from this number line? From 0 to 8 steps towards move right side of a number line. Which side we are moving? Right side of a number line. 8. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. The product of negative integer and negative integer is equal to positive integer. Negative and negative is equal to positive integer. That's why this is a plus. Minus of minus. How many steps? 2 steps. 1, 2. 1, 2. Give the arrow mark. Minus, minus 2. What is the answer, children? 10. 8 minus of minus 2 is equal to 10. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. This is very, very, very important. Next, we have to see the exercise 3 sums. Now, children, exercise 3. Did you write that exercise 2 sums? Now, exercise 3 sums. Open your notebooks and write these number lines. Okay, children? Be careful. Write neatly. Writing is very neatly right. Represent the following subtractions on a number line. Exercise 3, page number 6. Open your textbooks. Page number 6. Exercise 3. Represent the following subtractions on a number line. Already you have to do represent the following additions on a number line. Following additions on a number line. Now exercise 3, represent the following subtractions on a number line. This is also very important in your exams. First, 7 minus of 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Draw a number line. 7 minus 2. Here, what is the number, children? 7. What is the number? 7. Where to start from this number line? From 0 to 7 steps. From 0 to 7 steps, we have to move towards right side of a number line. Right side of a number line. Minus 2. Minus 2. Negative numbers move on the left side of a number line. Right. Positive integers move towards right side of a number line. Positive integers, negative integers move on the left side of a number line. What is the number, children? 7. Next number is minus 2. Minus 2. 5 minus 7 to 6 is 1 step. 5 to 6 is 6 to 5 is 1 step. How many steps? 2 steps. Minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. What is the answer, children? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next one, 8 minus of minus 7. 8 minus of minus 7. Minus of minus 7. Draw a number line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. See, children, what is the number first? 8. 8 before which sign is there? Positive sign. Here, where to start from these number lines? Addition, subtractions from 0 to 8 steps. From 0 to 8 steps. Towards move right side of a number line. Right side of a number line. Right, the number is 8. Keep the arrow mark on 8. Next, minus into minus 7. See here, minus into minus 7. This table is very, very, very important. Minus into minus. Here, minus into minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. How many steps? 7 steps. From 8 to 7 steps. 8 to 9 is one step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer, children? 15. What is the answer? 15. Minus 7. 8 minus of minus 7 is equal to 15. 8 minus of minus 7 is equal to 15. 8 minus of minus 7 is equal to 15. Once again listen, children. 8 minus of minus 7. Here 8 is positive integer. No sign before 8. Here we were to start from this number line from 0 to 8 steps. From 0 to 8 steps towards move right side on your number line. Next minus into minus. Minus the negative integer and negative integer is equal to positive integer. Negative and negative. Negative integer and negative integer. How many steps? 7 steps. Negative means negative into negative is equal to positive. Positive numbers move on the right side on a number line. From 8 to how many steps? What is the number? 7. So 8 to 9 is one step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus of minus 7 is equal to 15. 8 minus of minus 7 is equal to 15. Next one more example. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Are you copying these sums, children? Copy the sums. Next 3 minus 7. 3, third subquotient. 3 minus 7. Draw a number line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. From where to start from these number line additions or subtractions? From 0. From 0 to how many steps? 3 steps. Which integer is a positive or negative? Positive integer. 3. Positive integers means move on the right side on a number line. How many steps? 3 steps. Next, from 0 to what is the number? Next number? Minus 7. Minus means negative. Negative integers move on a left side of a number line. From 3 to 7 steps. From 3 to 7 steps. 3 to 2 is one step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again listen. Here 3 to 1 is one step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer, children? Minus 4. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. This is the different sum. Once again listen to sum. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. 3 minus 7 is equal to 4. Minus. Okay, children. 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Next class we have to discuss next exercise.